ready to take your motion graphics to the next level and make everything buttery smooth. First, make sure you have the Rsmb plugin installed on your computer. Once you have it, let's jump into After Effects. Open your After Effects project, or create a new one. I have a pre-existing project where I've already imported some footage. Select the layer that you want to apply motion blur to. This is the video clip in this example, but it could be any layer, including text or shapes. Now, head over to your Effects and Presets panel, usually located on the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, you can go to the window menu and select Effects and Presets. Type Rsmb into the search bar. The Rsmb effect, which stands for Real Smart Motion Blur, should appear when you type that in. Click and drag that Rsmb effect directly onto your chosen layer, the video clip. In my example, you'll now see the effect applied to that layer. Let's customize the settings. Go to Effect Controls, typically found on the top left side of the screen, where you'll find the Rsmb settings. The motion blur amount setting controls the intensity of the blur. Increase this value to get more blur, or decrease it to have a subtle effect. Play around with this setting until you like what you see. You can preview the before and after by toggling the effect on and off using the FX button. You want to see how it can level up your content. And that's it. You've successfully added Rsmb to your After Effects project. Experiment with different amounts to fit your project and let the buttery smooth visuals commence. Now go out there and create.